Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the YoyoFactory sphere. As you can see, there's like only one colorway. It has this kind of like metal thing. It has like a super long axle. It's a lot like the wedge, but it doesn't have the finger spin caps. And I think it's actually like going out of stock, but don't really know. Mine spins with no vibration. And also the response pads are yellow. It comes with a center track bearing. And overall, this yo-yo is really nice. I've been playing with it for a little while now, and I am very happy with it. For finger spins, it's not good at all. It has plastic hubs. If you can finger spin, you probably can do it. But if you're starting out, this is a trash finger spinning yo-yo, just in general. But for finger grinds, I think it's pretty good. It's a lot like the wedge. It has like that polycarbonate kind of plastic. And it is fairly light, but it's pretty nice. It's a solid plastic, very good, cheap starter plastic yo-yo that has pretty good specs, response pads. You can always change the response pads, but has pretty good ones over in general. Also, it has sort of a star shape to it, but it's kind of like, it has about 3 divots in the whole yo-yo. Overall, very satisfied with this yo-yo. Definitely one of my favorite plastic ones. This yo-yo would be a 10 out of 10 for plastic yo-yos. So you can do a bunch of all of the tricks you can do with the regular metal one, you can do on this plastic one. So if the new players are thinking, you can't do that, you're very wrong. This yo-yo is really good. And if there's a knot in it, you can just do looping tricks. Thank you all for tuning in. See you in the next video.